Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I decided to put all of the makeup that I got to good use and film a first impressions video. I pretty much did like a full face first impressions, except for a few products. But if you'd like to see how I created this, like I kind of experimented with like the little halo cut crease sort of look that's like trending on Instagram at the moment. So if you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. So I don't actually have any new brow products that I haven't tried before, so I'm just going to go in with my usual, the Benefit Ka-Brow in the shade number 4. So I'm just going to lightly fill them in. Ooh. This product is so bomb. I love it, and I use it on my clients as well. Then I'm just taking some concealer. This one's just the Rimmel one. Rimmel Breatheable Concealer on a concealer brush. And just using that to define the brows. I feel like it's been so long since I actually sat down and filmed for you guys because I've been traveling like a crazy woman these past few months. But I'm finally back home and I don't think I will be traveling anytime soon. I'm thinking of going to Thailand mid-year. So if you guys have any suggestions on where to stay in Thailand, then do let me know. And then I'm just going to grab more of that concealer and just put that all over my eyelid just for a base. And blend in all that concealer. I'm just going to quickly set the eyelids just with my Rimmel Stay Matte Powder. I use it all the time just so it doesn't crease. To set the brows, I'm taking the Benefit 3D Brow Tones and just popping that through the brows to set them in place. I love this stuff. Okay, so I've zoomed you guys all the way up for eyes. Holy shit, it looks so crazy. But I've been meaning to try out the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. Holy crap, look how amazing these shades look. So first color I'm gonna pick up will be Burnt Orange. Just gonna use that in the crease. I've used this color before. Like I'm pretty sure I have this color in her single eyeshadows and I love it. So I'm just going to use that as a transition first up. Now I'm going to take Sienna, which is right next to it, which is just a deeper sort of version of it, a little bit more coppery, and kind of placing that in the same areas just to deepen up the color, just to make it a little bit more pigmented. Pretty much popping this like all over my eyes. What I really want to try out is one of those half cut creases, but like in the middle they've kind of put like a strip of like gold or silver. So I may do that. Depends how creative I get. I might grab a smaller sort of defining brush and I'm going to take the shade Mulberry, which looks like this, and focusing that mainly on my crease. So I'm just gonna really work that product into the crease. I've seen this type of eye look on Instagram, but I've never actually watched a tutorial, so I don't know if I'm like doing it right, but we'll see how it turns out. I'm going to take a little bit of the black. I'm kind of scared. It's called Noir. Just a little pinch of it and using that in the crease as well. So just the tiniest bit of black. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab Mulberry. I'm going to put that on the outers and inner corners of the eyes. Try not to bring that color actually in your inner corner because that's where I find some people go wrong with doing this halo sort of eye look. If you bring black like in your inner corner, it's just gonna look like, I don't know, messy and like you got punched. So you're gonna wanna keep it literally on your eyelid, trying not to go any further than your tear duct area because it does not look cute. Alright, I'm going to take some more concealer on a concealer brush. Mainly going to be focusing the concealer on the middle of the eyelid. So, okay, so far so good. Okay, so, and in that with the eyeshadow. So far, I'm thinking I'm doing all right. Then I'm gonna grab, I think I'm gonna grab this like rose pink color. So I'm gonna grab this color in the middle. Oh my God, that is so pretty. Wow. That is so gorgeous. Then I'm going to grab this Mecca Max, the Illuminati Gold Rush Cream Shadow. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop that on the crease line. So I'm going to try out the new Mellow Precision Pen Liner. Hold my breath and hope for the best. Holy shit, this liner is so easy to use. Went for a bit of a bolder kind of wing today. I'm really liking it. So for mascara, I'm going to use the new Bad Gal Bang by Benefit. I just saw when they did that whole Maldives event release that it's just going to be just another mascara, and they were just happy that they brought another one out. Little did I know, this is honestly the best mascara I've ever used. Like, I'm not even just saying that because of the whole hype of the product. Like, honestly, they apparently spent 4 years to make this, and honestly congratulate them because so far best mascara I've ever used. Like, honestly, I do still have a few extensions on, so if you see a few like stray lashes, then that's why. But oh my God, like, so good. Like, I can't believe it. Like, I feel like I could almost get away with this eye look without falsies, but I'm so extra, so I'm just gonna put falsies on. So I recently received these Zinatti Beauty lashes. Popping the lashes on. Love the difference the lashes make. Okay, so for primer, I actually received this massive box from Bobbi Brown. I'm gonna use one of their new foundations. So for primer, I'm just gonna use the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. It just came with one of the PRs, and I've used it before, but honestly can't even remember if I liked it or not. So I'm just gonna massage that in. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, so I think I have the right shade. Warm Natural 4.5. Just popping that on. Ooh. Ooh, girl. That is full coverage. Okay, I'm putting quite a bit on. I don't even know this formula. I feel like the formula is a tad sticky. I don't know if that's me or if there's like glue on here or something, but it's like very like I can hear it bouncing on my beauty blender. Yes, very sticky formula, so weird. It is definitely more of a dewy finish, not matte, which in my case, because I do have a little bit of textured skin, like it does bring out my bumps and stuff, but obviously after I put powder on, it'll look a lot different. But so far, it does actually look really beautiful on the skin, not gonna lie. So I do actually have a new concealer to try out. It is the Mecca brand. It is their Lifeproof concealer in the shade Ivory. I have a feeling that this may be a little bit too light, but that's all right. It's something I can work with. So just popping that under my eyes, here, 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 and here. And then blending it in with a beauty blender. Ooh, holy shit, this actually has good coverage. What the hell? Mecca, if you guys don't already know, is a pretty affordable brand in Mecca. That's really nice. And it's blending really easy, like it's not thick. So they also came out with a Lifeproof Super Set Invisible Pressed Powder, which is white, and I'm scared. Yeah, I'm super impressed with that. Like, seriously, what? So, blush. Let me go try and find one that I haven't used. So for blush, I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Kit in the shade Radiant. I'm only going to use a little bit and just pop it on my cheeks just to add a bit of color. I'm not usually a blush fan, so I don't add a lot. So for highlighter, I'm going to take the new Amrezy Anastasia Beverly Hills collaboration. Honestly, the most stunning highlighter I've ever used. The formula, pigmentation, the color, everything about it. I'm actually obsessed. I've already like created a little dent in it. Oh my god. I cannot deal. Oh my god. Placing it on my Cupid's bow, tip, bridge. I'm going to also pop this on my inner corners. So I'm just going to grab like a little brush. Like, what the hell? Okay, I'm going to finish my lower lash line. I'm going to go in with Burnt Orange again, which is the first transition color we used on the top. Take that underneath first. Then I'm taking Sienna again and running that underneath as well. Then finally I'm going to take Mulberry, which is this color. I might take this palette into work this afternoon and use it on my clients. So I have actually recently been really liking using dark browns in my waterlines as opposed to black, just because it is less harsh. So I am going to use the Makeup Geek Full Spectrum eyeliner pencil in the shade Espresso. This isn't new or anything, but I don't have any new like brown liner, so I'm just going to use this one. And I'm just going to pop that in my waterline. I'm going to grab a little fine defining brush. I'm going to take the shade Cypress Umber. I'm just going to literally put that into my lower lashes just to sort of soften the look of the waterline, just so it looks a bit smoky. So like in comparison, you can see. So really pressing that into the lower lashes like that. Then I'm just going to pop some of the Bad Gal Bang mascara on the tops and the bottoms, just to blend in my eyelashes and to add to the bottom. Oops. Okay, we're on the home stretch, guys. So for lips, I'm going to take the new Mellow Cosmetics Harper lip liner. The formula of these are really, really similar to my favorites from Gerard Cosmetics. So I'm going to line my lips. And I'm just like obsessed with the color. Holy shit. They're so creamy. For lipstick, I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills new liquid lipstick in the shade Hudson. Oh my god, this shade looks amazing. Dead. Dead, 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 dead. Oh my god, wow. I do have a new setting spray. It is by Too Faced. It's called the Festival Refresh Setting and Refreshing Spray. So this is the final look. I'm so happy about how it turned out. I love that like halo cut crease sort of eye look. I'll definitely be doing heaps more tutorials with similar like sort of styles in my next videos to come. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to see more of my videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye.